What is this? A Nintendo Switch for ants? I can't even press the buttons. Hello guys, how are you? Once again, it is I, David Franco from davidfran.co, personal website. Check it out right below. Appreciate your support, it means a lot. So today's video is a bit different. As you saw, I do have the world's smallest Nintendo Switch, and in case you missed that video, what's really funny is a lot of people call that video fake. This looks pretty legit to me. However, there was one thing missing from that video. Chances are very good you would never buy a Switch like this just by itself, right? It needs a box. Well, today I'm excited to unveil to you my magic trick. I am gonna turn a regular sized Nintendo Switch box into a very small, no, the world's smallest Nintendo Switch retail box. Are you ready? Are you ready? Watch carefully. And there it is, the world's smallest Nintendo Switch retail box. Yeah, it's pretty freaking tiny. Check it out, guys. Huge, huge difference. This thing is ultra portable. You can pretty much take it anywhere. This, you cannot take with you anywhere. But this, you can. Feel me? But wait a minute. What is the world's smallest Nintendo Switch and the world's smallest Nintendo Switch box? And yes, the Switch is bigger than the box. Shh. Without games, we have the world's smallest 1-2 Switch. Boom, Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild. Boom, Dragon Ball Z. Boom. That right there, guys, is the world's smallest Nintendo Switch collection. It's pretty damn cool, isn't it? But wait, there's one more thing, guys. We cannot forget about that time I bought the Nintendo 3DS XL Micro, which I still do have, and I use it all the time. Why have one when you can have two? And actually, with that said, if you missed that video, so guys, there you have it. The world's smallest Nintendo Switch box. If you ask me, it's pretty damn impressive. I seriously lost it. Hold on. It's way over there. There you go. Ain't she a beaut? Thank you so much for watching. And of course, if you guys want to buy this for yourself, as well as these very tiny games, Nintendo Switch dock, 3DS XL Micro, everything can be found right below, including the videos and links. The product links, that is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Your support means a lot. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.